Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra hardware number 61131. This is an 1.5 by 1 3/8 light narrow cabinet hinges is what this is. This is a tiny little, what we would call a light narrow hinge. Light narrow means it's this. Thin gauge, couple of screw holes, generally rectangular in shape, like this one is. Going to be very thin gauge steel, like I said earlier. Is really not going to be considered something that's surface mount. You can see from the swag on the hinge leaves there that they're really meant to be, well, not mortised because they're so small on that swag on the hinge leaf, but they're meant to be installed in a mortised style fashion rather than surface mounted. So 1.5, that ought to be a reference to the height naturally, being the first dimension. Then 1 3/8. Okay, this is a steel-based hinge in a zinc coating, and that zinc coating is a rust-inhibitive sort of finish that would be done. It's not considered galvanized, which is a different process of that, but not being technical between the zinc coating process and galvanizing, there are different types of galvanizing, and the coating process of zinc might be similar to a white coat galvanized sort of surface process on steel. The leaf thickness is 0.053 thick, 0.053. Location of those holes for the screws, and screws are not included. About 1/4 inch down to about 1 5/16. I would not purchase screws until I had them. Had these hinges. I'm tempted to say a number 6 flathead is what I would look at for this. Maybe a number 8. Okay. The name Ultra is synonymous with good quality builder's hardware and little utility style hinges like this that are going to be bought by people that are doing a variety of different things, either just flat out reselling them or all the way to somebody who does some small manufacturing of piece parts, someone who does arts and crafts, everything in between is what you would use these light narrow hinges for. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Ultra hardware catalog. If you have more than an occasional need for hardware such as this light narrow hinge, by all means familiarize yourself with their product line. They have corner braces, they have flat irons, they have things that are associated with little zinc coated hinges like this. If you have any questions on the Ultra 61131 light narrow zinc coated cabinet hinge or any other Ultra product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.